they so sort of at the end of sort of like the summer they have like a fireworks display. I didn't know. They do a massive, like after they've done the fireworks, there's like this massive big one. It was that big, it kind of rattled, and I was in a pool. And I was like, nope, need help. So that's when she referred me to. They're Tills now. Well, they were originally Tills, and now they're Rock Courage. So it's a NHS. It's an NHS service specifically only for veterans, and can't thank him enough.